Liana's Easy Bake. What?
Have you seen anybody named Lazy Jim?
Oh, guys, tell me what's happening, please.
Okay.
Wait,
He broke into the museum last night and stole a very rare artifact.
He gave me a bracelet with a spider on it, but my bracelet. Oh, I think you. Where is it? I think I left it somewhere in the house, the bakery.
Okay. Thanks for your service, ma'am.
Oh, just say he's right beside our bakery.
Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, okay. So today we're going to be making white frosting. So if you guys remember, we were making yellow cake, the beautiful perfection yellow cake. And if you guys want to check that out, it will be in different videos of 3 kids in a room. So let's get on. So first we need 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then we need 3 tablespoons of dried milk powder. And then 6 tablespoons of shortening. And so let's put the 3 tablespoons of dried milk powder right in the 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then we want to add the 6 tablespoons of shortening. I have my trusty fork. Ugh. I can't do this with one hand. Okay. This is a lot. And just saying, guys, this recipe makes 8 batches, sorry, of white frosting. So let's mix this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So we just finished mixing our icing. And so to split it, we're going to use into 8 bags. We're going to split it into 8 bags. So we're going to be using a 1 1/3 cup. We're going to get our bag. Scoop it. But we're going to put 7 in the in a cold dry place, 7 in there, and then the 8th one we're going to be using it in another video. 1. Oh wait. 1.